Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your search history in the LinkedIn app step by step. If you want to keep your searches private or just clean up your activity, this quick guide will help you do it in seconds. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type LinkedIn. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so you don't miss any features. Once the app is updated, simply open the LinkedIn app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Data Privacy section. Here, scroll down until you find the Search History option and tap on it. Then simply tap on Clear Search History. Once you confirm it, your search history will be removed instantly. And that's it. Your LinkedIn search history has been successfully cleared. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.